Hi, Matt here. So a couple weeks ago, I picked up a canoe, really cheap, and knowing it had a hole in it, so I patched the hole. And before I went too far with it, I wanted to make sure that it would float and there was no hidden holes or anything I did not know about. So that was done. It does float. Well, I did fix the hole, tested it, it does float, handles well. So now here's the progress that I've made on it since I picked it up. It was a nice little green canoe. The inside of it. So I had to add some handles to it, which is that one there hanging on the cross piece, so I don't hit the cab when I'm transporting. Handle back here. Chain, piece of V-pipe, and a shackle holding it all together. Of course, the tie down holding it to the truck. Well, there's the hole that needed fixed. Right there. It's patched on the inside and the outside. When we float tested it, it was not patched on the inside and it did not leak. Right now, make sure it's all dry and everything. And then I patched the inside. So since then, I have started sanding it. And there's the patch on the outside. You can see the different layers of paint it had on it. It will get a fresh coat of paint, apple red instead of this green. So I had to add a new watercraft to my fleet because of my youngest grandson, Jackson, who is 6. He's not able to control a kayak yet because he is a really small bodied person. So we have a Father's Day trip coming up, 3 days on the Current River. So Jackson and Dad will be in the canoe. I will be in Fitzgerald, and little man will be in Plaything. So this will be a short segmented video showing the progression of the canoe getting a facelift, getting restored, whatever you like to call it. So I'll check back in with you once I get it completely sanded